Hi guys, welcome to my channel Michalis FPV. Here we have an unboxing of a new drone from the iFLIGHT with the new camera now, the DJI 04 Pro Air Unit. So here we have the box just arrived for the model Cine LR 6S. It's a 7-inch drone, so let's start the unboxing very quickly. Let's see how it looks inside and what we have. So 8 propellers inside, some other battery straps, the 2 antennas. We're gonna see it in a while. I ordered from iFLIGHT Diversity version, Crossfire, the TBS. So this is the drone. It's very simple, the design, 7-inch, dead cat style, and with the DJI 04 Pro Air Unit. That is a fantastic camera, as they say. I didn't try it, so this is my first drone with this new camera of the DJI. They say that is better from GoPro, the quality. We will see it, but still you see they have here the mount for action camera if you want. Here they say that they have the GPS inside. We have the Crossfire back antenna and we have the Crossfire front antenna. So it's the Diversity style, very stable, I can say, the Diversity if you want to fly long range FPV. And let's see what else we have inside to the box, and then we're gonna come back to check more details about this drone. Let's see what we have here. As I said, we have 2 pairs of battery straps. We have 2 antennas for the video transmission. We have for the battery. We have some screws here. This is for the propellers. And here we have the Allen key and the screws for the action camera. One more for the battery, and we have some other screws, and we have also this wire that I don't know exactly what is. I don't know, they write it also in Chinese. Okay, it's details. This is for the flight controller. Here is for safe flight and responsibilities, some stickers, some instructions about if we use the DBS Crossfire version. Let's see more about this drone. This is a plate. It's like a protection. You can remove it, and so you can have the possibility to look inside to the drone. Here we have the air unit. It's in the front side, as you see. We have this new mount for the DJI 04 Pro, because it's really very big, the camera. I don't know if you can understand from the video. So as I said, here is the GPS. Let's read some information about this drone. The model of this drone, we call it Cine LR 6S with the 04 Pro Air Unit. We have the Blitz F722 flight controller. We have the motors, the Xin 2 2809 1250 kV motors. The propellers, as you see, I don't know if you can see, is 7.5 30.73. The weight of this drone without the battery is 770 grams. The max speed of this drone is 148 kilometers. Maximum altitude can arrive 7,000 meters, and if we use the recommended battery, that is the 3,300 milliampere, 6S, we're gonna have about 18 minutes of flight time, but as you see here, you can put even bigger battery. You can have also 8000 milliampere 6S battery, that they are huge, and that's why they give you, I don't know if you can see here, this space that to put the battery strap for bigger batteries. So that is the unboxing, guys. I will try to bind everything, and I will see you in my next video, and we're gonna fly together for the first time this drone. So we're gonna make a flight test actually, and to see also how good is the quality of DJI O4 Pro. So stay tuned. Thank you very much for watching. If you are new, please subscribe to my channel Michalis FPV, and take care yourselves and have a good flight. Till the next time, bye.